Pockets are just so cool. Pockets are sometimes part of the design idea and sometimes they should be invisible. This video tutorial from today is a general tutorial for these side seam pockets, which don't influence the design but which are there to carry your stuff. But at first, hi everyone, I'm from Koba.Siani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in again. These side seam pockets we are learning today, you can add to any side seam. The only condition is that the fabric you're working with is not too thin and that the pattern you're working with is not too tight around the body here. The pattern for the pocket bags is available for free as a download on my homepage Koba.Siani.com in the freebie section, and the seam allowances are already included here. And just before we dive into this tutorial, another info. The dress I'm wearing here is the upcycled shirt dress Carla. I'm linking you the video for the tutorial here. It's one of my patterns which is available in my shops. But now enough talked, let's start with making pockets. Have fun! At first, of course, we have to cut the fabric. Additionally, to your skirt, trousers or dress parts, you will need 4 times the pocket bags. As I've already mentioned, the seam allowance is included there in the pattern. That means also at the side seam side there is 1 cm seam allowance. At some patterns there are 1.5 cm seam allowance at the side seam. So please check this and adapt the pocket bag pattern if necessary. Along the side seam of the pocket bags there are 2 notches which you have to transfer to the fabric. You can cut the pocket bags in the same main fabric as your garment, or you can use another contrasting fabric. That's also a nice design idea. The notches from the pocket bags we also need on the main pieces at the side seam. At first I'm choosing my pocket position. Here I'm measuring a bit downwards from my waist seam, and then I'm just transferring the pocket notches to my side seams. As a next step, I'm casting all the side seams on the main pieces and on the pocket bags. Casting the side seam allowances separately is important for this kind of workmanship for side seam pockets. Now we will link the pocket bags to the main pieces at the side seam. I'm putting the pockets right fabric side on right fabric side on the main piece, and I'm aligning the pocket bag notches. Then I'm sewing along the side seam with, in my case, 1 cm seam allowance and only from notch to notch. That means at the beginning, at the top and at the bottom of the pocket bag, these hang loose for 1 cm. Afterwards, I'm ironing apart this seam. Then we can close the side seams. Again, I'm aligning very carefully the notches of the pocket bags and my vertical seams, and I'm preparing this with pins. The upper part of the side seam is from the armhole edge down to the first pocket notch, and the lower part of the side seam is from the lower pocket notch down to the hem edge. I'm starting each part of the side seam at the pocket notch because like this I can work very precisely, and I'm taking care that I don't sew in the pocket bags. After cutting off all the thread ends, I'm closing now the pocket bags and preparing the seam with pins. And as you can see, I'm keeping this fold at the side seam area of the pocket bags. The pocket bags are already automatically right fabric side on right fabric side together now. Here I'm closing the pocket bags, as always, with 1 cm seam allowance. Now we can cast the edges of the pocket bag's seam allowance. And if you have used your overlock sewing machine for this casting seam, you should thread in now the seam ends. Now I'm ironing apart the seam allowances of the side seam. Then I'm turning around my garment to the right fabric side and I'm ironing the pocket bags towards the center front. For the last step we will need a short stitch, so I'm lowering the stitch length now. And this last step is to secure the pocket ends. I'll place now bar tacks, that means short seams, and I'm stitching forth and back, at the pocket edges. These seams will prevent the pocket seams from breaking when you use the pockets. Please make sure here that the pocket bags still point to the center front. Just a quick control that everything went well at the inside too. Then I'm cutting off all the thread ends. Ready to fill our pockets. I hope you've liked the video. Leave me a thumbs up here on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, of course. You can also follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest for more creative content. And if you have any question of any of my videos, just contact me via email to info@Koba.Siani.com and I'll help you. So stay tuned for a lot of more freebies and tutorials and new patterns. See you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye!